Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. I hope all are doing well. Today I am going to review Minimalist 3% Tranexamic Acid Face Serum for melasma, acne scars, hyperpigmentation or PIH or PIE. 30 ml quantity, price is 649 rupees. Available on Nykaa, Myntra, Amazon and on the Minimalist website too. This is non-sponsored video. Made in India product. It targets melasma, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, PIH, also post-inflammatory erythema, PIE, and the acne scars, suitable to all skin types, free from fragrance, silicones, sulfates, parabens, dyes, essential oils, dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic, oil-free, pH range between 3.8 to 4.8. Tranexamic acid is a new generation molecule that inhibits the melanin, reduces hyperpigmentation, one of the most proven ingredient for treatment of melasma. How to use? First, do the patch test before using this on your face. At night time, after cleansing and toning, take 2 to 3 drops, tap it gently on the skin. Let it dry. After 5 minutes, proceed with the moisturizer. And next day, use the sunscreen. I have oily sensitive acne prone skin. This serum I had used many years ago. It didn't irritate my skin, didn't give tingling sensation or anything. It calmed down the acne but didn't reduce their size. Didn't saw any reduction in acne or the dark spots. Unable to fade those spots. And the color of the serum get changed after 3 to 4 months. It become dark. No, it didn't cause me any irritation. It shown the same result. But yes, whenever I applied, next day my skin looks dull and quite dark. That was the major issue which I faced. This removed that milia or something which I had from the ears near my left side of the eye. That was gone completely. But the only concern is it made my skin little bit dark. I hope in these years they change the formulation. In the future I might buy this again, but from the starting this serum was very costly. I have other stuff now. If I again buy this, then we'll upload the another video on this product. Don't worry. And now just share the past review. Have you tried this product? Then please share your experience. It will be really helpful for us. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for taking care of your skin.